Welcome to Las Vegas from Samsung EZON. Here we are at ISC West 2010, showing our lock and intercom products. I'd like to show you our new lock, 7020, having in the U.S. market for 1 year. Been very well accepted and complimented by thousands of people. The lock is a functional design, stylish. Our flat panel with a randomizer for your pin pad. For easy entry. Your pin number can be up to 12 digits long. The randomizer can be turned on or off. It's a matter of being able to additional protection for your pin number. The cards also work with standard MyFair card for easy entry. The 7120 will also work with the worldwide standard HID cards. For power, you have 9-volt terminal on the bottom, as well as a standard battery pack located inside. The management button inside also allows you to give passage mode, so you can enter the door as a standard door lock. The lock is built upon the Marks 195 chassis with standard key cylinder replacement on the Slage format. You can have up to 250 users, a card, or a pin number. The lock also offers time zoning